Hey friend, have you heard about the Swim continuous documentation system? It's a game changer for development teams. You see, code documentation has always been a bit of a headache. Keeping documents up to date with your code has been challenging, and until there has yet to be a scalable or sustainable solution. But Swim is here to solve all of that. Swim allows teams to manage policies and documentation updates within the CI/CD pipeline, and it's super easy to use. It ensures that the documents are always up to date even when the code changes. And the best part, it brings benefits almost immediately. The system creates documentation when new code is shipped and links it directly to the code itself through snippets, function names, and values. You can easily find documents while working on a task, exploring a new code, or sharing knowledge with your team. And maintaining and updating the records is a breeze with Swim's automatic synchronization. But it's about more than just having documentation for the sake of having it. Swim makes the documentation more effective by encouraging developers to discuss the why behind the code, not just the how. The team has also provided tools to help developers become better writers, such as the ability to embed live code into documents and store them in a code repository. Swim is an intelligent system that recognizes when code changes affect the documentation. Its patented verify and auto-sync feature automatically update the documents, so you don't have to worry about keeping everything up to date. And it integrates directly with tools that developers use daily, like Slack and GitHub, so it's always accessible. The Swim GitHub app is a massive help for development teams. It allows you to create, maintain, and find documentation as part of the development workflow. And the app runs Swim Verify whenever a PR is opened or updated, so you can be sure that the documentation stays current with the code. And if you're worried about tracking and finding new documents, don't be. Swim has a feature that sends notifications in Slack or via email whenever a new record is created and merged with the main branch. And if you modify the code with associated documentation, the app will recommend the documentation for review. And in case you're wondering, the team has thought of everything. If something goes wrong in the main branch, they've created the ability to run Swim Verify only for files that have been changed in the pull request. That way, you can keep track of the changes and fix any issues without worrying about failing Swim Verify. Hey there, have you ever heard of Radar? This incredible social media management platform is designed to help small and medium-sized businesses with their online presence. It's like having a personal assistant for all your social media accounts. You won't believe how much easier your life will be with this tool. You see, as a digital marketer, it can take a lot of work to manage multiple social media accounts at once. You have to be a social media butterfly, flitting from one account to another, ensuring each gets the attention it needs. But with Radar, you can focus on other things while it takes care of all your accounts. Radar is packed with features that will make your life so much easier. It has everything from scheduling and posting posts to social media monitoring, analytics, password management, task management, URL shortening, landing pages, RSS feeds, and a shared library. And the best part? It supports all the major social media platforms. One of the standout features of Radar is its URL shortener. It's a game changer for your workflow and makes everything so much simpler. And the password manager is a lifesaver. You'll always remember a password again. The only downside is that it still needs to support Pinterest or GMB. But the developers are always listening to their community and adding new features, so who knows, they might add those platforms soon. With Radar, you can plan and schedule content and postings with your colleagues or customers for different social media channels. Once you prepare your content, Radar will automatically publish it to the selected social media channels and accounts on the specified dates or times. And you can track and analyze your social media activity with its analytics feature. It's like having a personal social media analyst. Radar has plans starting at $10 per month for the basic plan, which includes 3 social media accounts. The professional plan is $20 per month and includes 6 social media accounts. And the business plan starts at $60 per month and has 12 social media accounts. It's an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Customers of Radar are in love with the tool. They say it's one of the most well-designed and easiest to use social media management tools. and the developers are constantly interacting with their community and making improvements, so you know the product will only improve. And here's the best part. For a limited time, you can get lifetime access to Radar for just $59. That's a savings of over 90% off the regular price. This is a deal you want to take advantage of, so don't wait. Get Radar today and make your life as a digital marketer a whole lot easier. Hey there, have you heard about the Questionbase yet? It's a fantastic AI-powered knowledge base that is changing how teams work. With a Questionbase, answering questions has never been easier. It's like having a personal assistant who knows everything and is always ready to help. The Questionbase is integrated into Slack, making it a seamless addition to your team's workflow. It's super easy to use. All you have to do is ask your question in the Slack channel, and the Questionbase will generate an accurate answer in no time. It uses the latest OpenAI technology and the GPT-3 data model, which means the answers it generates are based on the information in the Slack channel. So the more information your team has in Slack, the more accurate the answer will be. The Questionbase is perfect for fast-growing teams with multiple channels, as it brings all the knowledge into one place. Your group can access all the necessary information without searching hundreds of text files. Plus, the team doesn't have to change their current processes or habits to start using the Questionbase. It's that simple. The Questionbase is currently in beta testing and is free of charge, but pricing plans will be announced in 2023. The product can be used for any question, from development to sales and operations, making it a versatile tool for your team. And the best part? It's received nothing but positive feedback from customers. For example, Alexander Ginovsky writes, I started working with Questionbase in May, and immediately after its integration, I started to see its value. The team helped us automatically populate the product with questions and answers based on existing nodes, and now our team has all the knowledge collected in one place. Tihomir Volkanov loves the Questionbase too. He says it's super easy to use and that Questionbase will instantly read your team's mind and answer your questions easily. And the best part? It saves your team precious time and attention so they can focus on more critical tasks. So what are you waiting for? Give the Questionbase a try and see how it can transfer your team's workflow. Hey friend, have you heard about Connecto? It's a fantastic API-first platform that helps businesses bring their products to life seamlessly and efficiently. With Connecto, product managers don't have to worry about the technicalities of JSON or YAML coding. That's because Connecto has two unique products, Design Studio and Test Studio. Let me tell you more about Connecto Design Studio. This product is a dream come true for product managers who want to develop APIs without technical know-how. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, product managers can quickly develop APIs without getting bogged down by the complexities of coding. The best part is, Connecto makes collaborations with the API team a breeze, allowing developers, testers, and operators to work together seamlessly. You can access Connecto through their SaaS web apps, Connecto.io and app.connecto.io. These apps work in popular browsers like Google Chrome, Apple Safari, and Microsoft Internet Explorer. Logging in is super easy too. You can use your LinkedIn, GitHub, or Google credentials. What kind of APIs can you develop with Connecto? The platform is designed to help product managers design and test three types of APIs: System APIs, Process APIs, and Interaction APIs. System APIs are an API-based interaction framework that allows different systems to communicate and exchange data. Connecto makes developing and testing these APIs a piece of cake, ensuring their reliability and scalability. Process APIs, on the other hand, is the glue that binds different systems together. With Connecto's aggregate API builder, you can easily create automated business processes and be confident that your process APIs will work seamlessly with other systems and APIs. Finally, there are Interaction APIs. These APIs are the final touch point in delivering data and content to end users, based on their specific access channels like a mobile app or browser. Connecto is adding Developer Connecto Experience APIs to their roadmap, allowing product managers to look at their product strategy from a user-customer perspective. With Connecto, product managers have all the tools they need to design, test, and deploy APIs that drive systems, processes, and experiences. APIs are essential to creating successful products, and Connecto makes it easier for product managers to take advantage of this. So if you're a product manager looking for an easy and efficient way to develop APIs, give Connecto a try. Hey friend, have you heard about Readwise? It's a fantastic service that curates the best news and content from platforms like Kindle, Instapaper, and iBooks and sends it straight to your inbox daily. And not only that, but they've got a fantastic reader app perfect for all your power readers out there. The versatile app lets you keep all your content in one place, easily searchable and organized. The app has covered you whether you're into Twitter threads, PDFs, or anything in between. Now, even though the app is great for power users, it's also perfect for casual readers like us. It's super flexible and can be used in various settings, whether for personal, professional, or academic purposes. The local cross-platform architecture makes it super fast and efficient, so you can effortlessly search across all your devices. Oh, and did I mention that it connects with all your other thinking tools like Roam, Research, Notion, Evernote, and Obsidian? It's like they've thought of everything. It's got these great workflows to help you tackle content overload, which is a common problem for us power readers. And the best part? The team behind Readwise is actively developing the app and providing responsive customer support. They're even getting feedback from beta testers using the app for hours a day. So if you're looking for an easy way to keep track of the best parts of what you read, Readwise is definitely the way to go. They've got two plans, Readwise Lite for $4.49 per month and Readwise for $7.99 a month. The standard plan lets you organize your highlights with tags and notes and export them to Evernote or Notion. Plus, they even offer a 30-day free trial, so you can try before you buy.